I got a new file cabinet today. Got this at the Goodwill for, I believe it was $15, which is pretty reasonable, especially for something that I actually have a practical use case for. I've needed one of these for a while, for pretty much since I moved in, because I have a lot of documents. I still do a lot of printing and I use a lot of paper, and my other cabinet has been full for some time. So I was looking for one and kept checking there. They would show up on occasion, but they were either dirty or not in good shape or whatever. And this one showed up today. It's in pretty good condition and it's a nice wood one. So this was perfect. So I'm going to put it over here in place of this tray that I have the printer on, which is also something that's been needing to find a better home. I think it makes sense to keep the printer in this location, but this is not a good thing to have it on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this tray back in the living room where it belongs. And I'll put this files cabinet over here. I'll put the printer on it. Now this cabinet is on wheels, which is okay, but I think I'm going to probably take them off before I fill it with documents, because I don't have any reason to move it around. And I think we're going to find that the wheels, since I don't believe that they have a locking apparatus on them. No, I don't see any. So I think we're going to find that the wheels are an annoyance, because you're going to go to actuate the draw, and instead of the draw moving, the whole thing is just going to move. So let's get this out of here. This has also been here since I moved in, and I haven't liked it being like this since I moved in, so I'm happy to get a better table for the printer now. It's been open for so long I forgot how to close. Okay, and I can put this back into the living room. Sometimes I do need more of those, so that's good. And then we'll put this back, or we'll put it here for the first time rather. Oh, maybe the wheels will not be a problem. The drawers are actuating very easily right now, but once they're full of documents, they might not actuate as easily. Okay, well that's in place, and it looks much better. And in fact, it fits the printer very nicely. It's a perfect size for the printer. It just fits all the way around. So that solves multiple problems. Looks pretty good. Eventually, I'm going to replace this desk, because I don't really like white furniture and white trim, white doors. That's just very bland and unappealing to me. I'm using this desk just because it exists. This was the desk I had at the old location, and I just brought it here as opposed to having to buy a new one right away. But I do intend to buy a new one soon, and I'm not sure exactly what finish it will be, but most likely it'll be a finish kind of similar to this cabinet, so everything will match and look decent. I have in this room as well this table, which is maybe a shade or two darker, but it's kind of a similar finish. So there we go, a new filing cabinet, and now I just got to get a bunch of hanging folders. Those things are very expensive. They're probably going to cost more than the whole stinking thing did.